Jackie sir, आपसे शुरुआत करना चाहेंगे. First of all, the gentleman is so chivalrous because every time the lady came out, he was all there. So thank you. We love you for that. You are a rock star as always. You win hearts. वो आजकल बहुत कम है लोगों में यहाँ पर वो नहीं करते. So आपने thank you so much. Another takeaway and learning from the man himself. I would like to ask, what can we expect, Jackie sir, with you from Hello Charlie?
It's got my childhood out. In fact, I've been watching all the little clips. It takes me back to school, before school, when you're a little child. It's so pretty, the film. I'm so happy to be associated with these. I really thank you. Thank you, ladies.
Thank you
made it
for the
happen.
honor.
Yeah,
We have the
to
best.
have you in the film.
Yeah.
Oh, come on. It's what I've learned from you guys, what you've done out here. I haven't done for 4 decades, like you said.
Thank you.
It's really fun. Shloka.
Thank you. Shloka,
Yes.
what about you? What do you want to tell the audience?
I want to tell them this film is very close to my heart. It's my first film, and this has been a childhood dream of mine. And working with Pankaj sir, Aadar, Jackie sir, Elnaz, Rajpal sir, I mean, it was a fabulous opportunity and a fun ride. I got to learn so much in my first film. And you're going to love it because it's all heart, it's innocence, there's laughter, there's everything in the movie. And I think everyone is going to just love it.
Yo.
Especially the kids.
Yeah.
Thank
So,
you.
yes.
Elnaz.
Yeah, for me it's also very special because I've never done comedy before. So going from all the serious stuff to a little comedy, which is cool, I think, because I know whoever knows me and my social media knows I'm pretty crazy that way, and I can be funny. So I'm excited to show that now that I can do that too. And it was a lot of fun shooting it because, you know, when you read the script and you're like, okay, oh, there's a gorilla, you don't know how the shoot is going to be. So, and on top of it, we shot everything outside. Nothing was in a studio or something. So it was a mad ride, literally, and you will see it in the film. So everybody keeps saying the children are gonna love it, which I'm sure of, but honestly, I've been telling Sir also, I don't really laugh much when I watch movies because I'm like, okay, yeah, well, that's supposed to be funny. But in this film, I laughed so much myself. I'm not saying it because it's my film, I'm saying it because it's funny. So I think everybody is going to love it.
Everyone, thank you and all the best for this crazy, just a fun, mad laughter ride we are looking forward to on the 9th of April. And thank you once again. A couple of questions that I have before we open the floor for the Q&A. So if you guys permit, yeah?
Please.
All right, starting with Vijay sir. What do you have to say regarding the collaboration between Excel Entertainment and Amazon Prime Video, that it is bringing us films from different genres, so many different genres?
Look, one of the things that we've really respect Excel for is their focus on creating multiple themes and stories. You know, not just on the film side, but we have a very deep relationship with them across formats, including shows. And just the sheer variety that they're able to bring means that they have a very collaborative, creative ecosystem that gives voices to different kinds of storytellers. And it's really amazing to see their body of work over time. And that proof is out there for everyone. I think for me personally, what's always stood out is Ritesh's ability to take risks and back genres that we know inherently will be loved, but at the face of it, you know, everybody kind of shies away from. If you look at the work they've done with Fukre, for example, or more recently, Gully Boy, when you look back, you say, wow, great film, amazing entertainers, really funny and all of that. But when you actually put them together, not too many people have the vision that he does to back this. Again, I go back to my earlier comment. I was part of the early script, and I haven't laughed that loudly, and you saw just a glimpse of it. This is I think 2 minutes of a promise of about 2 hours of madness. You know, so hats off to him, yeah. You know, to be able to back that, because in these kind of things, it's really the story, you know, that makes a great film. And I think I'm very proud on behalf of Amazon Prime Video to be presenting this to the world.
Thank you for giving us some crazy content every time. Thank you. Thank you so much. And we're getting to the visionary. As you said, the man has a vision, and the visionary.
So visionary is there. Writer, director.
How did this, Ritesh sir, come to life? The concept of Hello Charlie.
I think it's Pankaj a few years ago had come up with this story. He's written it, he's directed this film, and he narrated this story to us. And I remember from that first narration, it's very rarely do you go through a script where, you'll have some changes. So there were minute changes and suggestions because it's a collaborative effort. But I insisted that every time he does a change, I want a narration. Because I was enjoying the narration, I had to make him start from the beginning. And poor guy, I think must have just to me and Farhan, he must have done some 40 or 50 narrations, at least minimum. So I think that's the, but I think it was something where, you could relate to immediately. The minute he narrated, you're talking of a person, who's is trying to escape the country in disguise of a gorilla. It sounds crazy. And you find this simpleton who's, been entrusted with this job of taking him from Mumbai to Diu. So it was going to be a fun ride. But I think what we were very clear on is if you're bringing this, onto a film and it's, you're going to take it to a different level, then you need to find the right gorilla, right? So we started researching, and I think Pankaj very early went off to the US. He, wanted to meet up with the team there. So we were very clear, if you're going to make this for the Indian audience, you have to do it on a way that, because they're obviously exposed to seeing films from around the world, right? So we were fortunate that we could find the right team, bring them down. There's the same team which had worked on Planet of the Apes. So we, did that. So we thought it had to be something different because it's a simple story. It is funny, you can watch it with the whole family, but there are great moments in it. It's endearing. So, to do that, what was going to be different? So I think that was the toughest task of getting a gorilla in, and obviously you have some great actors, who come in and complete those characters which was written by him. So overall, I think that's how it all just worked out,
We want to deep down a little, deep dive a little more into it, that how come one and only Toto? Like, how did this?
This is, again, here. I think he wrote it. I think this is all conceived by him. So I think the credit lies with the writer-director right here.
What about you, sir? कैसे ये ज़हन में आया कि Toto एक gorilla? How will we come up with this character?
इतना ही कहूँगा कि मेरे कई जोड़ी जूते घिस गए कई प्रोड्यूसर्स के पास जाते जाते तो मुझे हर जगह से भगा दिया जाता था बोलते थे ये क्या गोरिल्ला वोरिल्ला लेके आए हो ऐसी फिल्में चलती नहीं है इसका कोई मतलब नहीं है till finally everybody used to call me mad. He said this kind of stuff won't work in India till I met someone who was madder than me and they said man wow this is it. So and then on and there on, and it's been a long journey, but thanks to Excel, they are fantastic producers. They go all out and they go right till the end, which Ritesh did. And he sent me to LA, we found the gorilla, and it was a long process. But he stood by me all along.
So as he said, wow, I've got somebody madder and we've got something crazier. We're looking forward to it. And thank you for bringing that. But how was the entire journey, kaisa raha safar, to direct the whole film?
It was tough. It was tough because we were shooting outdoors and it's a road film. So almost everything was done outside Bombay. So traveling with the crew, with the truck, with the gorilla, with other, it was very hot and it was difficult, but yes, we pulled it through. Plus we did a lot of patchwork. We kept coming back and forth. And then the pandemic happened. So, it's been tough, but I'm glad we're here today.
And we are glad too, because we want a breather. We want, break from this whole, we want a laughter ride. And this is after a very long time. We're looking for
I'm hoping it brings some relief
yes,
to the otherwise.
Yeah. 2 minute में हमको तो बहुत relief मिला यहाँ पर 2 घंटे में तो यकीनन मजा आने वाला है
मुझे भी ऐसे ही लग रहा है
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Adar.
Yes.
You're the closest to Toto. तुमने जो हमारे साथ मस्ती की है आज, थीम पार्क में मजे करके आए हो और फिल्म में भी पूरे तुमने शूटिंग के दौरान जो मजे किए हैं. Can you tell us a bit about the camaraderie, the chemistry between you and Toto?
Well, I think we can all agree that the gorilla, Toto, is just very, very cute and very fun, loving. I'm a big animal lover, and what better co-star to have than an animal, a gorilla, a really sweet one, that too. He's amazing. We have an amazing bond on and off screen, and I have to say that, it's been such a lovely, different experience for me to shoot this time with a gorilla. And I think, we've seen a lot of jodis on screen, romantic jodis. But this is the first time you're going to see a jodi between a boy and a gorilla. And choti muh badi baat, but hopefully this will go down in history as one of those famous jodis. I hope so.
That's good.
So, romance, bromance, gomance.
Bahut bromance, bahut gomance.
Gomance, yeah?
Definitely, definitely.
Thank you. Jackie sir, from 4 decades, you've given us some of the best and won our hearts. So thank you so much for your contribution and entertaining us throughout.
Thank you for watching me.
And how was the entertainment on the sets with 2 different eras coming together?
Full power. It's like when you दो current मिलता है, तो बहुत charge हो जाता है, negative positive. तो energy बच्चे लोग में बहुत था, तो वो energy खा रहा था. और director sir is like a child himself. I think he's really funny. And I wish we could have, at least I could have done a little bit like how he wanted, but I tried to give as much as I could. 40 साल कर रहे हैं, इतनी चमड़ियाँ चढ़ गई है, वो सब निकाल के उसको दूसरा चमड़ी लगाने का. तो मुश्किल था, मगर जिस तरह से बोला जानवरों के साथ खेलना मुश्किल होता है, तो हम जैसे गधों के साथ खेलना भी बड़ा मुश्किल होता है. He tried his best and I think he's made a super film. He is a fantastic director, writer, no doubt about it. He's done many comedy shows before that. And then look at the cast and look at the team. Look at the guy with big heart out there. Yeah, come on, go where you want, make the film. Look at Amazon. Amazons are rocking. They want to give different genres all the time. I think it's a win-win for me. I just have to hang around, be sincere about my job, be disciplined, listen to my director, look around at these young talent. So beautiful, superb. You're so endearing, you both of you. Really, my love. As much as I love Toto, I love you two so much. You come out so beautifully, kids. I swear to God, there's nothing. I need nothing from nobody. You're brilliant, both of you, and thank you so much.
Thank you.
Director Saab, and then you have such a glam. In that gorilla type of film, na thoda khoobsurati bhi to bhai, chehra bhi, mashallah, do hamare khoobsurat ladies, they've rocked. She's fantastic. Well, what to say? Just look at her, and I don't want to say much. You're wonderful, lady. You acted beautifully. You look lovely. He handled you beautifully too.
Yes,
And I'm happy
everybody
that I
did.
worked with you.
Yes, me too.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thanks, guys, for being there. Not that we can see anything out there. मैं यहाँ चश्मे से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, दिख ही नहीं रहा है. पहली बार जब शूटिंग किया था हीरो का, तो ऐसे 16 रिफ्लेक्टर मुंह पे मारे थे. आँख खुल नहीं रहा था. बोले अरे आँख तो खोल. मरहूम माशाल्लाह हमारे डांस डायरेक्टर सुभाष जी ने बोला नहीं ऐसे ही रहना. So ऐसे ही रहा, ऐसे ही, मगर इतना क्यों मार रहे भाई? कम दिखाई दे रहा है क्या सबको? Enjoying the film, just rock with the film. मेरा बचपना बाहर आ गया देखकर जो मैंने देखा. मैं चाहता हूँ कि सबका बचपन बाहर आएगा.
Thank you, Jackie sir. Thank you so much. And हमने आपके हर किरदार को बहुत प्यार किया है. You've done justice to it, and we're looking forward to this one as well. So thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Shloka,
Yes.
tell us a bit about your character. Elaborate a little what your character is all about in this.
My character is all heart. She's feisty, just like me in real life. So I think the casting was perfect, bang on. I just had to play a rural version of myself, so I was very lucky in that sense. And she's full heart, all out there to save and be with her Charlie, and it's great. It's a wonderful, wonderful journey of this girl. I don't want to reveal much because, and the trailer didn't reveal much either. I want everyone to see the film. But it definitely shows a different side of me. And I get to dance, which is my forte. So I'm fortunate enough to have that song in the film. So I hope everyone likes it. And I'm just blessed to be here. And I'm very fortunate that Pankaj sir has given me this opportunity and excel.